Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy OTW Tripod here with another video. In today's video, OTW got a new pistol. It's the OTW Glock 7 G17 Beam, and it's amazing. It's a 3-tap. I'll show that right now. 1, 2, 3. Oh damn, this is 3-tap. I thought it was gonna be like a 4 or 5. Damn. Yeah, it's an amazing pistol. This is how you get this gun at general rank. But look at this. It has a silencer. Look at that, bruh. Anyway, I'm gonna be using this in today's video, so let's get it. Alright, so I'm gonna just try and get a few kills with this gun. Don't tell. I'm waiting for people to come out. Oh. Ooh, that was nice. Oh, hello. Forever K, boy. Forever K. Report. What? Report. Oh shit! I still got you. Ooh. I don't know what he means by report if he's forever, but okay. Oh shoot, I was so dead. Cause I know for a fact there is an OTW guy in the server, but that's how he looks like. And then there is a C. Did I kill the CH guy? No, I don't think so. So yeah, forever mobs. So yeah. Oh, whoa, come here. He died? Why was he still walking? Alright, so we got CH surf there. And I know they killed me. There's no way. I got him. With my trash aim. Got him. Look, I don't know if I should kill CH, but his name was EBK, and that other guy's name NLK. Yeah, but we bought CH. Wait, no, not CHK. We bought CH. The CHAA12. I want that right now. Did I even get one shot on him? Yeah, no, he's probably gonna make it into the gun store. Damn, everyone's there. They're all just chilling. Yeah, no. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, bro. Yeah, thanks so much for 20 subs, you know? You feel me? Yeah? So let's get it. Oh shoot. What do you want, boy? What do you... You tried killing me. Nice. Alright, bye.